Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2h, that is about number 1 minus 2 sine h squared. So cosine s, that is about cosine of s over 2 multiplied by number 2. So for this one, we can transform cosine 2 of s over number 2 into this one. And we have like this. Next, number 1 minus number 1 we cancel. Negative and negative, we have positive. Now, the square root of number 2 I will put outside. And we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about this one. So we need to transform this one into the absolute value of sine of s over number 2. So we can see that when s approaches to number 0, if we put number 0 gone here, we have sine of number 0. That means from this the point number 0, we can see that we can have the positive and the negative when s approaches to number 0 on the left and on the right. So in this one, we need to create about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So on the left of this side, you got about negative. So in this one, we can put like this. Now, we have the formula in here. Sine 2h, that is about 2 sine 8 cosine 8. So for s, we can put number 2 multiplied by s over number 2. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. So we need to simplify sine of s over 2 on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 0 gone here. And we have negative number 2 over the square root of number 2. Now let's go to the second one. If we put about s approach to number 0 on the right, so we have like this. That is about the positive numbers in here. Now we do the same technique for this one. And we have like this. And we put number 0 gone here. And we have the positive number. And we can see that on the left, on the right, they are not the same. So we can say that the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.